Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Michelle Canario. I'm 37 years old. I'm a college undergraduate. My course is Hotel and Restaurants Management. I'm also a single mother of 3 kids. Their age is 14 years old, 9 years old, and 7 years old. I'm a 6th among the 7 sister. I don't have brother. My both parents are already died, and I'm currently here in the Philippines. I have experience in domestic helper, as a nanny. Their age is, my main duty there in responsibility is to take care of the kids. Their age is 4.5, 3.5, and 2 years old. But I was focusing on a 4.5 kids because she have a heart problem. And I'm the one who's sending them to the school. After I send them to the school, I go back in the house to clean the room of the 3 kids, and I wash the clothes, and also I ironing their clothes. After I ironing the clothes, I will help my co-worker to clean the house because it's a big house. They have 6 rooms and 5 sala, including the 2 big kitchen. After I help in the co-worker, I go to the school to take them, and after I give them a food, and also I help them to do their homeworks. After we do homeworks, every day we go outside to play in the playground. Sometimes we go in the mall to play. And also they have in a 1 week they have another activities like swimming and taekwondo. So I will be the one to go with them. And also I'm the one sleep in the room of the kids. I'm the one priority to see them. Ma'am and sir, if you allowed me to work in your family, I promise I'll be honest, patient, and hardworking all the time. And I could take care of your house, your children, and also other family member. I hope you allowed me to work in your family. Thank you.